Welcome to this Library Research for Marketing Basics video. Let's say that you are conducting research for a research paper or a discussion posting or other type of assignment for your marketing class. Once you have your topic, where do you begin? The UMGC library is the go-to place for all your information needs. You can get to the library's website by going to library.umgc.edu. Although there's a link for the library in your classroom, you don't need to go through your classroom to get to the library's website. You can go there directly by entering the library's URL in your browser's address bar. The library's ebook collections cover many aspects of marketing. This is a good place to start for background information such as encyclopedia articles. Enter marketing into the search box. The results page shows a list of ebooks on marketing. If you want articles instead, go to databases by title A to Z. The library has well over 100 databases that contain thousands of full-text articles on marketing topics. Hoover's, for example. Looking for a particular journal? Journal List gives you options on how to get full-text articles. Suppose you want to find Journal of Marketing Perspectives. Journal List tells you which database has it. Looking for deeper information about a marketing topic? Perhaps you are working on the marketing plan for a product and you want a better grasp of how to write a marketing plan. A print book or two might be valuable. To learn how to use the catalog, click Help. For more information about requesting print books for home delivery, from the library homepage, click on the Book Borrowing and Delivery link. Due to the processing time involved with shipping print material, this approach works best in the early part of the term or for longer-term projects. The library also contains research guides that group databases, websites, ebooks, and other resources by subject or discipline, including, of course, marketing. Here is the library's research guide for marketing, which contains specific databases and other resources you can use for your marketing class. Say, for example, you're looking at the following research question for your paper. How does advertising impact consumer behavior? The keywords that reflect the main concepts of this topic are advertising and consumer behavior. The Search Tips tab of the Marketing Research Guide contains tips to help you create a search statement to use for your research. You can use one or more of the databases recommended by the Marketing Research Guide to search for scholarly articles on this topic. Let's try Business Source Complete. Enter your search terms. Use an asterisk to search for different endings for the word fragment before the asterisk. You should put quotation marks around a phrase of two or more words to tell the database to treat the words as a phrase, that is, appearing together and in the order given. Limit to full text to find documents that are immediately available in full text. If you need peer-reviewed sources, limit to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. This search retrieves many useful scholarly articles that you can use for your research paper. And you can use the tools on the left side of the search results page to refine your results by date, publication type, and more. And don't forget OneSearch, which searches about half of the UMGC library databases simultaneously. You'll retrieve results from business databases, psychology databases, sociology databases, and more. This is useful if you want to explore your topic from the perspective of different subjects, but don't limit your search to OneSearch only. Also use specific databases that are listed in the Research Guide for Marketing. The Research Guide for Marketing at the tab for Search Tips has a section titled Conducting Marketing-Related Research. It provides you with detailed instructions for gathering information you may be required to find for many of your class projects and papers. It includes conducting marketing research, creating a marketing plan, finding market share information, and more. Librarians frequently update the tutorials to reflect database interface changes as well as new projects being assigned to students. The Research Guide for Marketing also has a Citing Sources tab that you can click on to learn how to create APA citations for many types of resources, including journal articles, websites, ebooks, print books, material from course modules, discussion postings made by fellow classmates, and more. And remember, if you need assistance with your research, whether it's finding articles, citing your sources, or anything else that's research related, UMGC librarians are here to help. You can reach us by email, instant message, phone, or make an appointment for a Zoom session. Never hesitate to ask for our help. We love questions. Thanks for watching and happy researching. For information about using specific databases for marketing research, please see our Library Research for Marketing Advanced video.